Hey, welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about how you can set up a Snowflake trial account. Firstly, open your web browser and in your web browser type Snowflake trial account and click the first link that appears. Once you land on this page, just fill out the form that you see on the screen. Make sure that you enter a valid email address because afterwards you will have to verify it and then click continue. From here, select the standard Snowflake edition, and for the cloud provider, you have to select AWS. And once you do that, select a suitable region, and it must be similar to or close to the region of your AWS account. And then simply click Get Started. Upon clicking, you will get a verification email on your provided email address. And once you verify it, set up your username and password, and then you will be good to go. And thus, your Snowflake account will be created and will be ready to use.